Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the do's and don'ts when writing professional business emails. Let's get to it. So as we know, writing a professional email can be a tricky task as it requires a certain level of professionalism and etiquette. So whether you're a seasoned professional or a fresh graduate entering the workforce, this video will hopefully help you with some essential tips for writing a successful professional email in English. Firstly, do be clear and concise. The first do of professional email writing is to be clear and concise. Your email should be brief, to the point, and easy to understand. Avoid using jargon or slang or overly technical language, as it could confuse the recipient. Next, don't use abbreviations. The first don't of professional email writing is to avoid using abbreviations. It's important to remember that emails are a professional form of communication and should always remain and maintain a formal tone. Using abbreviations can give the impression that you're not taking the communication seriously. Do use proper greetings and sign-offs. The second do is to use proper greetings and sign-offs. Always begin your email with a greeting such as dear or hello, followed by the recipient's or receiver's name. Similarly, always end your email with a sign-off such as sincerely or best regards, followed by your name. Don't forget to proofread. The second don't is to never forget to proofread. Typos and grammatical errors can make you come across as unprofessional, so always proofread your emails before sending them. You can also use software like Grammarly to help you catch any errors you might have missed. Do stay professional. The third do is to always stay professional. Whether you're emailing a colleague, a client, or your boss, it's important to maintain a professional tone at all times. Avoid using emotional language or making personal comments that could be perceived or look unprofessional. Don't use caps lock or exclamation points. Lastly, the third don't is to avoid using caps lock or exclamation points excessively. Using all caps can come across as shouting, and using too many exclamation points can make you seem overly enthusiastic or unprofessional. Use them sparingly, once or twice, and only when necessary. So that's it for today's video on the do's and don'ts of professional email writing. By following these tips, you can ensure that your emails are effective, professional, and help you build positive relationships with your colleagues and clients. Remember to always be clear, concise, and professional, and you'll be on your way to writing successful professional emails in the future. And if you found this useful, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Follow on Instagram at Expert English Solutions, or check out the website for one-to-one expert tuition, especially if you want to improve your business English. You can go to expertenglish.solutions and we can connect and learn more. See you in the next video.